I lost my data, so my hard drive just got corrupted and I was unable to use it. Hello everyone, I'm Sagar Pahwa. I'm from a real estate field, but I'm here just for a short review for the stellar data recovery company, as they have helped me out a lot. I lost data from my hard drive, and they helped me recovering all the data which I was like I just got panic in the first stage, like what should I do? So as I said, I am from the real estate background. My company name is Pahwa Estate. You can Google it and get in touch with us regarding any queries, like how they have helped me, and they can also help you, I would say, if you are facing the same problem. As I said, I lost my data, so my hard drive just got corrupted and I was unable to use it. So I had no other option, like where to go, how to recover the data. I had some options, I could YouTube. I had some options. I could YouTube it, and there were several videos over recovering the data. You can use this software. You can visit this website. You can download this software, and it will help us recovering data. But one of the videos was present over YouTube, and they said it, इसको जितना आप कनेक्ट करोगे अपने सिस्टम पे, it would get worse. You would it would get worse, and you might lost much more data connecting it again and again. So I was worried and I was panicking at the same time. And then one of my friend suggested me, like, you should visit Stellar, and they are like doing a great job in recovering the data which has been lost. And I was at the same stage. So I just connected with them, and they helped me out throughout the way. Like they told me like it would take 15 days, and they did the job in the 15 days, and I have recovered approximate, I would say, 75 to 80% of my lost data. And with the lost, I mean it because I had no other option, like how to recover it, how to access that data. And it had many like personal files, and I'm from the real estate background, so it had many files which were related to my clients. And और कोई ऐसी स्पेस नहीं थी like जहाँ पे मेरे पास वो फाइल्स सेव्ड हो. So it was really need of the hour, I would say, and I was in a major crisis. So they helped me in recovering all the data, and I would give a big shout out to Stellar Data Recovery Company. You should get in touch if you are facing the same problem. And thanks a lot to Stellar. That's the most I can say at the moment.